So in this presentation, I will talk about another fairly difficult character, not when it comes to its writing or reading, but when it comes to understanding how it works. It has three different readings. The first and the most common one is B in the third tone. And then there is a reading which is P, and there is another one which is B in the fourth tone. So when the character is pronounced as B in the third tone, in this one, when it is a standalone character, it could be roughly translated as the verb to compare something, but it can be found in constructions like, for instance, 比如说, which means for example, or it could be found in constructions like 比较, which could be translated as relatively, or it could be translated as like 我要做一个比较, which means I have to go and compare. So this is the most frequently used pronunciation of this character. The pronunciation P can be found in words like 高皮, which has two really strange meanings. The first one is tiger's skin, and the other one is the teacher's position. So 高皮, according to my dictionary, because I've never used either or seen either of these two words, so it can either mean a tiger's skin, 高皮, or it can mean the teacher's position. And then if it is pronounced B in the fourth tone, in a construction well, actually in the only construction that I've seen, and also only in the dictionary, is BB, which means always or incessantly. So these are the three different pronunciations for this character, and as to give you some explanation for what it stands for, what it depicts. It depicts this meaning over here, B, to compare, and it depicts two people or two persons that used to look something like, let me just try to do that, like this. That doesn't really look good, but this was the original character, and this is actually a person backwards, written backwards, because normally the person would be written like this. Actually, in the modern characters, not in the small or big seal, or even before that. But what I've read in the dictionary, that this is actually the person backwards. So it's two people, and basically you compare two people, probably the smaller one and the bigger one, or maybe this the left one, the left man, the left person is just the way you write this entire thing. So this whole thing when it's on the left side. So to show you how to write this character, you first start with this stroke over here. Then this one, this is one stroke. Remember, this is not 1, 2. This is just one stroke. Then this one over here, and then this one. So one more time. This one, and this is a small, short horizontal stroke. I used to always think that you basically, that this stroke over here is the same one as this one, but turns out that it's not. It's just a really short horizontal stroke. Then you have this sort of hook stroke when isolated, written like this. And then you have this falling PS stroke, and I explained it many times that this is actually a very short tilted variant of this long falling stroke. So you start on the left and you finish on the right, like this, and then this long falling hooked sort of vertical horizontal hooked stroke. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so that's it for this character. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I will see you in the next one.